sea moss. Okay? That's what I'm about to do right now. Got my bladder rack in there with it. Okay? Take you some sea moss gel. Okay? Rub it in. Okay? It don't matter if it fall on my pants, okay? I made the sea moss gel like 4 or 5 days ago, so it done been in the refrigerator and it gelled up. Okay, it gelled up real good, so that's why little pieces is falling, because it gelled up. Okay? Put that sea moss on your face like that. Okay? Put it on your face like that. Okay? Put it on your face like that right there. Yeah. I put it on my beard too. It help hair grow and everything. Okay? Help hair grow and everything. Now, you know, when you put the sea moss on your face, it's gonna be cold, because you got out the freeze. So it's gonna be cold. Alright? Well, just put it on your face. Okay? Rub it in real good. Rub it in real good where you wanted it. Okay? Rub it in real good. Where you wanted it. Make sure you use that good. Alright, the eyes. Okay? On the eyes, right here up under the nose. Okay, rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. That's all right there. Okay. Let me go to my forehead a little bit. Go to my forehead. Okay. Oh, gee. Alright. It's on there now. Okay? Okay? Alright? I'm all sea moss gelled up.